In a dim soundstage, a Foley artist starts the day by cataloging everyday objects that become cinematic echoes. Boots tapping on wood and crumpled paper are choreographed to sync with on-screen action for each scene, boosting realism. Between takes, the artist edits layers on a high-end console, balancing realism with whimsy to heighten emotion. Away from the studio, hobbies like collecting vinyl and refurbishing old microphones spark new ideas and textures. This episode shows how humble props turn silence into storytelling through footsteps, whispers, and explosive cues for every frame.